How to turn on light mode on Instagram. Instagram follows your phone's system settings, so if your device is in dark mode, Instagram will also be in dark mode. To switch Instagram to light mode, you need to change your phone's display settings. First, open the Settings app on your phone. If you're using an iPhone, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Here, you'll see two options, light and dark. Select light, and this will immediately switch your phone to light mode. Since Instagram syncs with your system settings, when you open the Instagram app, it will now be in light mode. Now, if you want Instagram to stay in light mode while your phone remains in dark mode, Instagram doesn't have a built-in setting for this. The app will always match your phone's theme. However, some Android devices allow you to set dark mode for specific apps. You can check if your phone has this option by searching for app-specific dark mode or per-app theme settings in your settings. And that's how to turn on light mode on Instagram. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.